Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to make a flavor-rich one-pan chicken and potato dish. Oh my goodness, this was so good. Come over to my kitchen guys, let's go cooking. In this recipe, I am using some skinless, boneless chicken thigh. You can use chicken breast also. So I am going to cut them in small pieces just like this. After cutting the chicken into small pieces, we are going to clean up our chicken pieces before we season. Some people clean their chicken with vinegar or lemon. You can choose whatever you prefer. And here I have some special season that I have chosen to season my chicken with. Bear in mind you don't have to use the same season. You can use season that you prefer. So our chicken pieces are ready to season, so we are going to flavor up these chicken pieces and allow it to marinate. We can allow the chicken pieces to marinate for about half hour or more. Or if you're in a rush, you can go ahead and cook the chicken pieces just like this. Because it cut into small pieces, it won't take long to absorb the flavor of the seasoning. This is about 5 medium-sized potato, 1 large carrot that is sliced thinly, and about 2 cups of broccoli that is chopped in small pieces. Over here we have some scallion, we have our garlic, red bell pepper, red onions, and now we are ready to saute our chicken pieces. We are going to allow our chicken pieces to saute nicely until they look beautiful like this. This may take about 5 to 10 minutes, but we want to make sure our chicken pieces is cooked on both sides. And I am cooking the chicken pieces on medium high heat. So once our chicken is done, we are going to remove it from the pan, and to this same pan we are going to saute our season to make our delicious sauce. We are going to start out by adding our minced garlic, saute in a little olive oil. Then we are going to add our onion, that's about 3 stalks of chopped onions. We are going to allow it to saute for about a minute before we go ahead and start to flavor up our sauce. We are starting out with some paprika. Basically, we are using the same season as we use on the meat. We want to make sure both the potato is flavor rich and the chicken pieces is flavor rich. So we want to flavor up the sauce before we add our potato. Once we add all our powder season, we are going to add about 1/4 cup of soy sauce and about 2 cups of water. And once it comes to a boil, we are going to go ahead and add our carrot and potatoes. Before I add the carrot and potato, like I always do, I always make sure that my sauce is flavor rich. So I am going to taste to make sure it is tasty. So like I said, I add every season that I add to the chicken pieces. If you notice, I had some honey and cornstarch. That is to give our dish a nice glowy look, that mouth-watering delicious look. So now our sauce is tasty. We are going to go ahead and add our carrot pieces. And if you notice, the carrot is cut very thin. This is to make sure it cooked properly while the potato pieces is cooked. Because actually the carrot take longer to cook. So to ensure both is cooked the same time, I thinly slice the carrots. And here I'm adding the red onion. And we are going to allow this to cook, stirring occasionally. We want to allow it to cook until our potato is nice and tender. So I actually go ahead and cook the broccoli separate here in just a small amount of water. It is cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes. So around this time, our potato is almost done. Here we are going to add our bell pepper. This is to ensure that our bell pepper is not overcooked. This is why I add it around this time. So about 3 to 4 minutes later, here I go ahead and add my chicken pieces. Preparing our chicken and potato dish like this will ensure that the chicken pieces stayed flavor rich and our potato is flavor rich. So we properly season our chicken, we saute our chicken pieces, then we properly season our sauce and add the potato to cook. This is how we get a tasty, mouth-watering, delicious chicken and potato dish. And you see that glowy, mouth-watering look. This is so good. So guys, go ahead and try this recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. A big shout out, of course, to my subscribers and my faithful viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are new here and you enjoy this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload. Go ahead and subscribe this video to your friends and family also. Thanks so much.